From the start of a company, there's generally no budget for a business application. Also, the systems and processes of the company are not fully known, and as such, have not been created. Typically, spreadsheet, manual forms, accounting, and various other programs are used to manage daily operations. In time, with new clients, larger and repeat orders, eventually these manual processes slow down operations and limit company growth. The need for a new all-in-one business application arises. Among thousands of systems to review and consider, it's more than a daunting task finding those with features and functionality suited to your company. Applications may either lack required functionality or have features that don't apply to your business. businessMATE was made to create a system perfectly suited to your business, starting with features and functionality common to all industries, including bill of materials, work in progress, production documents, scheduling, reports, and many more. businessMATE is founded on a rapid development platform to include the systems and processes your company is already using. We make your vision of an application into a system reality. Our goal is to streamline your unique, time-consuming, and complex areas of operation into one click. Get businessMATE for your business today. For more information, visit businessmate.ca.